Bang. Oh god, I need a giant turd, honestly. Take some Nick. Ugh. Who's in the shower? The shower curtain's never pulled, isn't it? What the hell is that? Just... Oh god. Oh. No, no, no. No, I've got to conquer my fears. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, me too. I'm so happy. You're so adorable. Let me pick you up. Oh, isn't it cute? Look at it. Look at it. Look at my camera. Oh. That's boring now.